Budget carrier Spicejet has announced its entry into Imphal with the launch of first ever flight services between Imphal and Mumbai starting February 10. The airline will operate daily flights connecting Mumbai, Kolkata and Guwahati. Spicejet said the expansion is part of its effort to improve accessibility to regions with limited air connectivity. New routes are expected to enhance travel convenience while offering passengers more reliable options to reach Manipur from major cities. Passengers traveling to Mumbai will be able to use a seamless single aircraft service that includes a short stopover in Kolkata. Meanwhile, travelers flying from Kolkata to Guwahati will have benefit of direct, non-stop flights to Imphal. Spicejet has maintained that the launch of flight service to Imphal is particularly significant for Manipur, which currently has limited flight options. Chief Business Officer Debejo Maharshi said that the Imphal launch marks an important milestone, underlining the airline's focus on expanding its footprint in Northeast. The daily service are expected to greatly improve accessibility for residents, students, medical travelers, and businesses.